What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Chevy Blazer started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Blazer started. I'm going to be doing it on a 2021 Chevy Blazer here. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. So what we want to do is take our key fob and we're going to place it in the front cup holder with the buttons facing up, like that. And then we should just be able to start it as we normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.